Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare TinyTask and AutoHotKey. TinyTask and AutoHotKey are both popular automation tools for Windows. TinyTask is a simple and lightweight automation tool for Windows that lets you record and replay repetitive tasks. Its interface is very minimal, making it easy for anyone to use without any programming knowledge. You can automate clicks, keystrokes, and basic workflows quickly. The tool is very small in size and doesn't use many system resources. However, it doesn't support advanced scripting or complex automation features. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to save time on repetitive actions. AutoHotKey is a powerful Windows automation tool that lets you create scripts to automate almost anything on your computer. You can set up keyboard shortcuts, mouse macros, and even design custom menus or GUIs. It can interact with system functions, making it tightly flexible for advanced tasks. When it requires learning some scripting, the possibilities for automation are nearly unlimited. AutoHotKey is open source and has a large, supportive community with lots of tutorials. It's great for saving time and repetitive tasks or creating custom workflows. Overall, TinyTask is best for simple, quick automation, while AutoHotKey is better for advanced, customizable scripting. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.